We will do our best to keep up with 50 minutes. I think we can. We did discuss that and anticipated that, in fact, before coming up here. Well, I will do the honors of introducing the Knights of the Round Table. I guess I wanted to kick off by saying that perhaps a number of key takeaways can be mentioned from the proceedings yesterday and this morning as a way of kicking off our session this afternoon. Amidst a global and economic outlook that was given to us yesterday, weak and uncertain, I guess we found out that technology is changing very fast. We have cloud, digital, business intelligence, even that now being prescriptive, the end-to-end process revolutionized, horizontal and vertical integration to optimally use big data. And as a result of this, a number of changes have been happening in various markets and industries that have led to a disintermediation, so to speak. We also gathered that regulators are probably, in many instances, behind the curve because of these fast-changing developments. This session, this afternoon, will focus on how banking is affected by such changes. And that is why we'd like to talk about shadow banking and financial technology. I guess the innovations in banking, financing, client payments, issuer funding have made financial transactions borderless and end-to-end. This swift development across markets has pushed shadow banking and financial technology to bring innovative schemes which have made regulation even more challenging. We are fortunate to have with us today subject matter experts in shadow banking, financial technology, and the challenges of regulating in these fast-changing markets. They will share with us their perspective on these developments from the banking, risk management, even the operator side, the issuer side, and the regulatory side. Our main speaker, who will be confined to about 20 minutes, is Dominic Chenot. He is managing partner of Treasury Conseil since 2005. Prior to this, he was corporate treasurer, deputy head of capital markets of an international bank, and an audit partner of PricewaterhouseCoopers and Deloitte. This was from 1996 to 2005. He has a fitting professional background to speak about our topic, shadow banking and fintech, because of his experience in corporate treasury, cash management, capital markets, and in the regulatory and accounting aspects of the banking industry. He will be able to provide us the buy, sell, risk management perspectives of banking. Moreover, he has worked in fintech financial innovations as professor in business school. Finally, he has applied all of these experiences and professional expertise in publishing 2 books in shadow banking. So there is no doubt Dominic is our shadow banking and fintech man. He will be followed by Gianfranco Amoroso. He will be speaking from the issuer side. Gianfranco is head of finance of Snam, an Italian natural gas infrastructure company, since 2013. His responsibilities cover the areas of banks, funding, debt capital market, group treasury, mergers and acquisitions, and insurance. In this position, he has taken care of setting up the financial structure of the group and the establishment of the company as a frequent issuer in the debt capital market space. Prior to his joining Snam, he was the financial advisor for several acquisition deals by Snam, and he supported the merger of utilities companies AEM Milano and ASM Brescia. He started his career in Mediobanca, SPA, in 1994, and as head of energy industry team of Mediobanca, he acquired an extensive knowledge of the utility sector and the execution of M&A deals, both domestic and cross-border. Undoubtedly, he is our issuer man. Finally, but not the least, another 10 minutes for Richard Chenga-Reddy. He will be taking the regulatory aspect of our subject matter this afternoon. He is Head of Regulatory Affairs, Group Public Affairs at Standard Chartered Bank, UK. He is responsible for tracking regulatory developments likely to impact Standard Chartered, assessing their implications and coordinating the group's advocacy strategy. He joined Group Public Affairs in February 2013, but prior to this, he worked in Group Treasury, where he led the development of the group's internal capital adequacy and assessment process, as well as supporting the group's capital management and planning activities. Richard has also held a number of other roles during his 17 years at the bank, including being financial controller of the group technology and operations function and head of regulatory capital reporting. Not but not least, so he is our regulatory man, Richard. So without much ado, can I call Dominique to start off with his presentation? Thank you.